Hi all, now we'll be talking about worksheet 9E, volume and surface area of a sphere. Again, this worksheet you are supposed to do using ACE Learning, okay, an online assignment. So at the end of the chapter, you are supposed to be able to describe a sphere and its parts, state the formula and find volume and surface area of a sphere, solve problems involving volume and surface area of a sphere. So what's a sphere? Okay, these two are actually spheres. You can imagine a globe. Okay, a globe, a earth. You can imagine a football, a soccer ball. You can imagine a bowling ball, or you can simply imagine a watermelon. So if this is a watermelon, it's a sphere, you slice half of it. Okay, exactly half. We call it hemisphere. Can you see half of the watermelon? It's a bowl shape, right? This will be called a hemisphere. So how to find the volume of a sphere? Okay, you're supposed to be you should know the formula already, because this is an online assignment through ACE Learning, or you can just go to this website. Okay, they will show you how to get a formula for a sphere. So from the video clip, you can discover the formula. Volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, if you're uncomfortable with writing 4/3 pi r cubed, we can also write 4 pi r cubed over 3. It's the same thing. Okay, so I give you two options, or maybe you have already done that. Watch this video clip through this website or through ACE Learning. You click volume and surface area of a sphere, then click volume of a sphere. You should be able to get it. Okay, next page. Okay, now that I turn to the next page, can you still recall the volume of a sphere? Haha. Okay, let me better write down. Volume of a sphere equals to 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, I'm more used to writing 4/3 pi r cubed for volume of a sphere. So let's try this question, example 1. Find the volume of the following sphere, giving your answer correct to the nearest whole number. To the nearest whole number. Oh, take note, the question did mention what pi to use. If the question didn't mention this, then you have to write. You have to use calculator pi. But since the question mentioned this, you have to use this pi, 3.142. So you replace this pi with 3.142. You replace r with 4. Okay, if you do notice, the radius is 4. R is 4. So volume of sphere, 4/3 pi r cubed equals to 4/3 pi is 3.142. Then r is 4 cubed. So you just press our calculator, 4/3 times 3.142 times 4 to the power of 3. Can't do it now, don't be lazy. Let's do it together, come on. So that you can check on Mr. Liu's working as well. This is my answer. Okay. I don't think it's exact. So let's round to nearest 3 significant figure. 2, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3. Exactly 3 significant figure, cm cube. Okay, but since you round off to 3 sig fig, you must mention to the marker that this is 268, 3 significant figure. Okay, if you need more time, pause the video. If not, let's move on. Example 2. Example 2, the volume of the following sphere is this. Again, reverse type of question. They give me the volume, ask me to find the radius. And Mr. Liu always say, don't worry, just write down the formula. So before the class test, before exam, make sure you can remember all the formulas of a cone, of pyramid, of cylinder, of prism, and now of sphere. So volume of sphere volume of sphere equals to 3879.7.416. Replace the volume of sphere with the formula 4 over 3 pi r cubed equals to 3879.7.416. Now 4 over 3 and pi, throw it over the other side. So r cubed equals to 3879.7.416 divided by 4 over 3 divided by pi. In this case, the question also say pi is 3.142. Okay, press your calculator properly. Make sure that you will show this. Okay, what do I mean by that? See how I press my calculator. I would do this. I put 3879.7.416 over, try to put two bracket, 4 over 3 times 3.142. That's surprisingly nice. Maybe they planned the question very well to get this number 9261. Okay, so r cube is this. What is r? R will be cube root 9261 cube root 9261. Oh, I teach you a trick. Since 9261 is my answer, right? You press cube root 9261, cube root, then you press answer. There's E and S here, right? Press this button. The answer is 21. Okay, pardon me, I write 2 equal in one line, by right you should not. Okay, this is a cube. Cube, you don't have to put plus minus, only for square, only for power 4, power 6, all the even powers, then you must have plus minus. Okay, so r equals 21, radius equals to 21 cm. There you go. If you need, pause the video because Mr. Liu need to move on to surface area of a sphere. Okay. So for surface area of a sphere, again, you may watch the video clip using this, or you can go to Ace Learning. Okay, click on surface area of a sphere. They will show you how you get the formula. Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Again, must memorize. Surface area is 4 pi r square. What is volume of a sphere? Yes, 4/3 pi r cube. Surface area of a sphere, 4 pi r square. What does it mean by surface area of a sphere? Oh, it means, let's say if I were to take a paper to wrap the entire watermelon, wrap the entire sphere, right? The amount of paper used, okay, the paper will not overlap. The amount of paper used will be the surface area. It will be 4 pi r square. Okay? It just means 4 times of a circle, 4 times of the area of a circle. Okay? It's something interesting that you can go and find out. You can go and Google why the formula is 4 pi r square. It's like 4 times of area of a circle, pi r square. Okay, please go and Google and find out. Example 1. Given the radius of a sphere is 5 cm. Oh, what does it mean? Oh, r equals to 5. Find the surface area of a sphere. What's the formula? Surface area of a sphere, 4 pi r square. Replace pi by what? Oh, the question never say. The question never say means you use your calculator pi. But the question did say r is 5, so 5 square. So look at how I press my calculator. 4 pi 5 square. 100 pi or 314. Which one should I use? 100 pi or 314? 314, because the question didn't say right in terms of pi. Okay, so I write 314 3 significant figure. 314. 314.1. Oh, so 3 significant figure is 314 cm square 3SF. Last example, example 2. Given that the total surface area of sphere is 7855 cm square, find its radius. This is the reverse kind of question. This means cm square, typo. Oh, but take note, the question did say take pi to be 3.142 in this particular question. Tricky. So you must take note. Either you highlight or underline. Make sure you don't forget. So recall the previous question. Example 2. Reverse type of question. They give me the volume, so I write volume equals that. Then I replace volume with the formula. So now, they give me surface area. If they give me surface area, what do? I just write. Total surface area equals to 7855. Surface area, what's the formula? Surface area of a sphere, 4 pi r square equals to 7855. Pi, they want me to use 3.142. So I want to solve for r, so r square must be left alone here. 4 and 3.142 I divide the other side. 7855 divided by 4 times 3.142. Okay, I must teach you how to use calculator. Sometimes I cannot assume that you all know how to press. 7855, denominator should be 4 bracket 3.142. 625, again, nice number that the teacher chose. 625. If r square equals 625, remember earlier on we have r cube. Then I say you cube root don't have plus minus, but r square equals 625. R, you must show me plus minus square root 625. You must show me. So it's either positive 25 or negative 25. But radius is a number, it's a length. Okay, so how can it be negative? So you reject the negative. However, you must still show me plus minus. Mathematically, this is the way to do it. So r equal to 25. I say radius equal to 25 cm. Okay, that's it for this worksheet 9E. Okay, the next up, I will be going through homework of worksheet 9E. Then I will go through worksheet 9F. 9F is more or less a summary, composite figures and composite solids. Stay tuned.